I'm saying this is your second visit to our campus. So how is your experience?
Really
JKBS.
good. So, what I feel good about this campus and the students and the academic administration as well. So, here everything is managed by students. Like today, I'm here. So, my escortee is a student, right? A person who is photographing is a student, right? And everything, like from a momentum to a bouquet to managing small details, everything is managed by students, which I really like about this campus. So yeah, it is good thing which is not followed by many other management schools. So yes, keep it up.
How was your experience of marketing conclave we have?
It is a good platform for students to pick up some good experience people, good things from experienced people. I am here, many others are there. So I'm the youngest one I think here. So everyone was like 8 years of experience, 10 years of experience, 2 decades of experience. So I think you people should pick up the good things and the bad struggles what they have done in their career, and you should be prepared for your for next 20 years that okay, these struggles can be there in my career and this good things I will be facing in future.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.